Last week, we learned about the introduction to your argumentative essay. This week, we're going to be learning about the body paragraphs 1 and 2 today. Then we're going to be learning about the counter-argument paragraph in the next video. And then we're going to be learning about the conclusion in the last video for this week. So you're going to be actually learning about how to write the rest of your argumentative essay this week. And you're going to be having some more response pages to fill out based on these videos. So please make sure that you are paying close attention when you are watching to the red letters in these videos. I know last week there was a little bit of confusion on what was supposed to be put in the boxes on the assignment pages. So you are looking for the red letters. Or, like in this case today, these are numbers on this slide. So we're looking at the body paragraphs 1 and 2. And when you are writing your body paragraphs 1 and 2, this will be right after your introduction, you are going to be supporting the thesis, statement, or your claim in these paragraphs. Now, these are going to explain the reasons people should consider your position on the argument. I can't wait to hear your evidence, bucko. I did a lot of research, so I'm prepared to tell you, but my name's not Bucko. When you start each body paragraph, so this will be 2 different paragraphs, and each of your paragraphs will want to start with a topic sentence. Notice this topic sentence in red letters. You always want to start with a topic sentence that introduces a reason people would be convinced by the argument. So make sure you're using good words to convince the people that are reading your argumentative essay that you are going to give them a good, convincing statement. In this case, if students attend school year-round, they will improve academically and avoid summer slide. Now, the next thing you want to make sure you include in each of these paragraphs is your evidence. Make sure you include specific evidence to support the topic sentence. Use logic, data, and facts. Remember to make sure that you are including facts. This is not where you offer your opinions in this type of essay. You want to make sure that you are quoting data and facts. Here's a good example. For example, a district in Arizona saw reading scores go up more than 50% after extending the school year by 20 days. And you'll notice down here at the bottom that they quoted what it was where it was they got their information from. So be keeping track, and I'll have some documents for you to record that on next week. We'll get started with that. Then, as you write in your paragraphs, each one will want to include that bridge. So you'll want to explain with a bridge in each paragraph. So you're going to follow each piece of evidence with an explanation about how the evidence connects to and supports your claim. So your claim needs to be supported by the bridge, and your evidence would support that. Here's an example. This significant increase proves that students benefit by spending more time in school. So your claim is supported by your evidence, and then you want to make a statement, which is your bridge that shows how those connect. Then you will repeat, provide more evidence, and another bridge. Connect all the evidence to the claim in the topic sentence. So make sure that you just repeat that same thing. Provide evidence, then connect your evidence back to your claim with that bridge. Then you'll want to have a concluding sentence in your paragraph. Each paragraph will need to have a concluding sentence. And you'll want to conclude the paragraph by rephrasing the topic sentence. So it's a pretty easy thing to do. You don't want to repeat it exactly when you rewrite this or when you write this concluding sentence, but you just rephrase the topic sentence of your paragraph. Here's an example. It is possible to improve test scores by requiring more days in school. So the second body paragraph should be formatted like the first one with another reason to support the claim. So make sure that it's a different reason than your first body paragraph. Okay? Different reason. So text reference and transition words and phrases to use in the body paragraphs also include first, for example, furthermore, therefore, also, above all, additionally, consequently, finally, particularly, according to, or for instance. So these are all very good words to use in the body part of your paragraphs. So just to review, when you talk about the body paragraphs in these paragraphs, there will be 2 of them. So far we've learned about the introduction, which will be your first paragraph, and now we've learned about the second and the third paragraph that you will be writing for your argumentative essay.